Do you want to run a successful side hustle? Here's the deal: how to go about doing it. First, identify your passion and the opportunity. Set clear goals and create a business plan. Manage your time wisely. Build an online presence. Invest more in learning the business. Track finances. Networking and providing excellent service. Stay committed to your passion and dream. But, never neglect your main job, overspend or ignore legalities. Don't spread yourself too thin, underestimate competition, or forget to market yourself. Seek help if and when needed, listen to feedback, and don't sacrifice quality for speed. Follow these tips for a thriving side hustle journey. Thanks for watching the entire video. Your active participation and support would help us create more insightful videos in the future. Appreciate if you could like, comment, and further subscribe to the King's Exploits channel. Have a great day!